back to another DIY session with Tom. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel if you are an old time subscriber, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, hello, you're welcome. So it's good to have you here. Kindly subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. So guys, let's quickly get into today's session. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make this fabric rolls which you have on your screen. So I'm going to be making use of this little piece of Ankara that I have here. So you can do so with any fabric of your choice, and you also need your interfacing. So this is called gum stay. It's the soft, very very soft interfacing. So I don't know, some areas call it paper stay, whatever name they call it at your size. Just make sure it is that soft one. So I'm going to be making use of this brown paper to cut a skeleton of it so that we can go ahead and place it on the fabric and cut as much as we need. So the measurement I'll be using is 3 by 3. So I'll
So we are going to measure the 3 by 3 inches on the brown paper, and once you are done we cut it out. Now you place it on fold and shape the edge so it gives you the accurate shape of the petal, and this is what we have. So now let's place it on our fabric. So you place your fabric on fold as much as you can cut it and place the petal on it to cut it out. So you just keep placing the fabric on fold. Cut as many as you want depending on how big you want your rows to be. So this is me just placing it on fold, and this is all I have now. So the next thing now is going to be to count. I have 34 pieces now, so let's go ahead and place it on the gum stay to press it out. So this is what I have after pressing. So I'm going to place it on each other and seal. Please do not seal that straight part. So go ahead, place it on your fabric and your sewing machine seal, and this is what we have. So I also cut another yellow fabric which I'll be using to design the middle part of the rose. So once I'm done, I'm going to pass each petal now through my needle and thread which I've passed, making sure the color is blending with the color of the fabric. So I'm just going to pass each petal all the way. I'm going to pass it all the way because it is this now that I'll be using to arrange and shape the petal the way I want it to be. So just pass each petal all the way. So I cut 34, which means I have 17 petals now. So I'm just going to do so. And once I'm done, now let's go ahead and arrange it. So arrange it the way you want it to be. Take your time, do not rush. Arrange it, and once you are done, you want to unstitch it with your needle and thread. Tack it down so it secures it perfectly. So just go ahead, tack it. So once we are done, this is it now. So let's go ahead and work with the plain yellow fabric. So I'm firstly going to shape the edge out like you can see. Then I'll pass my needle and thread also. Now using the same color that matches with it. So I'm going to pass it. And we'll be using this fabric now to design the middle part like I've said earlier. So I'm just going to keep going, passing my needle and thread all the way. Passing it all the way. So and once I'm done now, it is time to arrange the fabric. So I'll pass it. I hope you can see the edge shaping very well. So just go ahead, pass it now, and that's it. So now let's arrange the fabric rows or the middle rows. So let's go ahead. So now this is how I want it to be, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and quickly cut the base for our fabric rows now. So you can do 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. Place your fabric on fold and cut it out. Now this is the circle. So I'll be cutting one more piece. So once I'm done cutting the piece now, this is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and shape it very well. So it's more like you are placing it on fold for a flare, but it is not a flare. So now I'll be cutting out my fabric, my gum stick, place it on it and sew it all around. And once you are done, you want to bring it under the initial rows we did, the petal we arranged, so that it sticks on it. So that is going to be your base to attach it on anything you want to attach it on your dress, on a cap, any point you want it to be. So I'm just going to arrange it, making sure that my gum is everywhere, because so that it doesn't remove. Now once I'm done, the next thing is to pick the yellow fabric. I'm firstly going to use my needle and thread to hold it together very well. Do this very well. So once I'm done arranging, I'm going to arrange it very well. Now once I'm done, I'll use my gum to hold it perfectly together. Arrange it very well. Arrange it till you feel it is okay. And now this is what I have, so it can be anywhere. It can be anywhere. I hope you enjoy watching it, guys. Bye.